Today we're taking a look at MeetHour, a virtual meeting platform designed for engagement, collaboration, and live streaming across multiple platforms. With custom branding, interactive whiteboards, and live streaming, your virtual get-togethers will never be the same. Let's start by setting a branded conference. First, add a domain. If you want to set up a custom domain, you can easily add a CNAME record and get an SSL certificate in a few minutes. From there, you can customize a landing page with your branding, colors, logo, and anything else you need. You'll be able to add a privacy policy, custom footer, and set up the SEO feature. All your branding will apply to the login page and dashboard too. Once you jump into a meeting, you'll see your branding splashed all over the place. Even your calendar and meeting invites will be branded to the nines. And if you upgrade to Tier 3, you'll be able to invite 500 people to your meetings, events, and conferences. You can also record and live stream meetings across YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitch at once. Pro tip, you'll need to grab stream keys to connect to Facebook and YouTube. Once the meeting ends, you can find the recording in the dashboard. And if you want to store them somewhere else, MeetHour supports Dropbox, and MeetHour isn't just for meetings. It's also perfect for real-time collaboration thanks to the interactive whiteboard. With this, you can draw, write, and import PNG or SVG files for better brainstorming. And once you're done, it's easy to convert the whiteboard into a shareable PDF. Whether you're hosting brand events, live streaming product launches, or working on projects, MeetHour's life is for you. Just click Buy Now to grab it today.